against Russian. Combination.
He's better than Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao was blue like that. Just as good.
The most efficient hunting machine in all of boxing.
He's vicious.
Naoya Inoue is a Japanese professional boxer nicknamed the Monstar. Inoue is renowned for his timing, speed, punching power, and body punching ability, boasting an impressive knockout ratio of 90.4%. He is a 4-division world champion and the second male boxer to achieve undisputed champion status in 2 different weight classes in the 4-belt era. Now, let's watch all of his knockout victories.
At times frustrating.
His hands up like that. Inoue would throw a shot, and then
Naoya Inoue is now the first fighter from Asia to be a 4-belt undisputed champion. All 4 are his. The king of the bantamweights, Naoya Inoue.
On October 2nd, 2012, Naoya Inoue made his debut in the professional boxing scene against Naoya from the Philippines. In the first round, the Monstar punished the Filipino fighter with devastating body shots. The Filipino fighter endured the pain and continued to dance with Inoue, but the Monstar delivered heavy punishment nonetheless. The fight lasted 4 rounds, and Inoue finished his adversary with shotgun-like body shots. The Filipino fighter was writhing in pain, showing the toll of Inoue's relentless assault. The Monstar claimed victory in his first fight with a devastating body shot knockout. 3 months later, Naoya fought his next opponent and finished him with just 1 punch. That punch sent his opponent into another dimension. His opponent just smiled and accepted his fate. In his third fight, Naoya fought against another Japanese fighter, Yuki Kono. The Monstar sent his fellow countrymen to the canvas in the early rounds of the fight. However, he decided to continue enduring punishment from Inoue's punches, delivered with violent intentions. But in the 10th and final round, the referee had seen enough and stopped the Monstar. After securing the Japanese light flyweight title, Naoya faced Gerson Mancio in a bout for the vacant Oriental and Pacific light flyweight belt. As always, Naoya dominated his adversary, schooling him with a boxing masterclass. The Monstar pounded Mancio's face like a punching bag with his powerful punches. In the second round, Mancio was knocked down by Inoue's forceful blows. The fighter decided to persist, but in the 5th round, the Monstar went on a rampage, ultimately finishing the fight. On his 6th fight, Naoya Inoue challenged the then-current WBC World Light Flyweight Champion, Adrian Hernandez. As a challenger, Inoue fearlessly unleashed lethal body blows on Hernandez. The Monster made it seem like the champion was an amateur. In their 6th round, they engaged in a slugfest, trading blows as if depositing them in their own bank accounts. Naoya dropped the champion with a subatomic right-hand punch. The champion seemed to give up, ultimately making Naoya the new WBC light flyweight champion. After becoming the world champion, Naoya defended his title. His challenger from Thailand lasted until the 11th round in their title fight.
ตัดลำตัวดูอีกแล้วครับโอ้ยแหมโอ้โหผมเพลงนะครับถามอเล็ก
ชุดใหญ่นะครับโดนแล้ว
But the referee halted the Monster's relentless onslaught, calling an end to the fight.
ครับโดนย้ำเข้าไปครับกรรมการหยุดเลยครับกรรมการยุติเลยครับดูกันไม่ได้ครับกรรมการยุติการชกไปแล้วครับ
Naoya Inoue relinquished his belt and moved up a division to challenge the WBO World Super Flyweight Champion Omar Narvaez. In the first round, the southpaw Narvaez was left stunned by the Monster's immense power. Naoya sent Narvaez down twice in the first round. Narvaez managed to survive the first round, but soon realized that their skills and power were not on equal footing. In the second round, Naoya completely decimated Narvaez, demonstrating overwhelming superiority in the fight. And he finished him with a bone-crushing body blow. The Monster successfully claimed his second division world championship title. Naoya then proceeded to defend the super flyweight world title, facing Warlito Parenas as his first challenger. Naoya easily defended his title, showcasing a superior performance and outclassing Parenas. Parenas survived the first onslaught, but the Monster was eager to secure a finish. In the next fight, Naoya faced a tough opponent, and their battle persisted until the 10th round. But Naoya Inoue showcased precisely why he's the world champion, demonstrating his exceptional skill. Beating his opponent until his body collapsed, he secured the victory. The Monster's next challenger was Kohei Kono, another Japanese fighter. In their clash, Naoya displayed combinations at a monster level. The Monster proved he's a true champion, showcasing exceptional skill and power, dominating the fight convincingly. In the 6th round, Naoya Inoue shocked Kono with a knockout reminiscent of Manny Pacquiao's style. Unlike Hatton, Kono managed to stand up, to be completely destroyed by the Monster. The Monster's winning streak continued with 12 wins, 10 of which were by knockout. His next challenger for the WBO Super Flyweight belt was Ricardo Rodriguez. In the early rounds, Naoya peppered Rodriguez with sharp and forceful punches from both sides. In the 3rd round, he utilized his left hand like a shotgun, delivering precise blows to Rodriguez. The Mexican survived the first onslaught, but the monster was eager to defeat him.